Listen, I told you guys we'd be taking a look at some sound options to go along with the Artly projector we just reviewed a few days ago. And yeah, guys, I decided to go with a soundbar. Now, I might get some hate for that, but you know what? I live in an apartment, so, I can't have things too loud. And, soundbars just look cleaner overall. But the real question is, how is the sound? I don't know what it is exactly about this soundbar, but I'm really digging the way it looks here, even though it kind of resembles a giant cigarette. The cylinder tube shape looks great here, and in my opinion, much better than the traditional squarish tube shape found on a lot of soundbars. Now, to add a bit of flair, Cowin has added a silver, what feels like aluminum strip just offset to the left, and just that bit of accent color is what I think really makes this soundbar look so good. You will also find some Cowin branding on that strip. Normally, not a fan of branding, but I really think it looks good here, and it works. You can find some more silver accents on either side of the soundbar, though this time they are plastic. Not sure why they didn't use the same type of material, but you know what? It's fine and it's not noticeable. Now, the face of the soundbar is covered in a nylon type material and the back is glossy. Now, you guys know how I feel about glossy plastic, man. But not only is it on the back, but it's a soundbar, so it's not something you're going to be handling all the time. So I'll let it slide. Now, there is a small flat base on the bottom with rubber feet to keep the soundbar in place when that bass drops. So the way I've been using this is with Bluetooth, which means less cables, though if whatever you're connecting to this soundbar doesn't have Bluetooth, well then on the back you will find a digital optical in, aux in, power, and RCA in. Now I was damn pleased to see that they thought of people like me who want to mount this to their wall. Now, if you lose the included remote, the left side houses all your function controls, like your power and volume buttons, as well as your play pause buttons. So yeah, I love the design, but you know what? None of that really matters if the sound is trash, does it? But you guys, man, the sound is phenomenal. It's extremely crisp, even at max volume. Everything is just muy bien, man. And I have to be honest here, I did not expect a whole lot from this soundbar, but man, it produces some of the cleanest sounding bass I have ever heard out of a soundbar or a Bluetooth speaker for that matter. Now again, the bass and overall sound profile is loud and clean. However, if you want something with bass that you can really feel in your chest, this isn't for you, man. But if you want crisp vocals, punchy bass that isn't muddy and distorted, then guys, look no further. This soundbar has really just blown me away, man. I was planning on picking up a few others to kind of try out and compare so I could find the best sounding one, but you know what? I really don't have to. I really do love every aspect of the soundbar. Now, if they really wanted to go above and beyond, maybe they can offer a upgraded version with a wireless soundbar for people looking for a bit more bass. Now, regardless, I believe they hit the nail on the head with this one. Now, if you guys want to pick it up, check out that description. I'll drop some links in there for you. But that's going to wrap up the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. If you haven't yet, definitely check out my other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.